Hey guys, my name is Isaac and today we're going to be talking about iOS 14. Starting with one is multitasking. Ben Geskin, 10 days ago, as of the date this video was uploaded, unveiled an exclusive internal engineering build in iOS 14 showing off a new multitasking feature. I have this tweak installed on my phone using jailbreak Uncover 13.3 I'm on. And to be honest, it's actually a tad annoying because the typical icons and preview of the app you'd see when swiping up, it's kind of small, so it's hard to tell which app is which. So it's just been a little annoying. Maybe that's just me being nitpicky, or it just takes getting used to. If this leak is true, I think it's possible, speculation, that Apple would let us use more than one app at the same time, like split view. That would be amazing. I'm really hopeful for that. Going on to number 2 is default apps. When opening links, instead of opening up Safari, you could change it to Google Chrome. That's what would open links up by default. Same goes for the Mail app. You could actually change it to Gmail, the Gmail app. Spotify can be your iPhone's main music player. A further extension of this is the HomePod getting Spotify compatibility. Right now, only Apple Music. That's the only service that is compatible with HomePod right now. And I think Apple has realized that not allowing Spotify or Pandora is doing more harm than good, because some people aren't going to bother if there's a HomePod. As soon as they hear only Apple Music, they're going to be like, forget it. You know, they're not going to think, oh, let me get an Apple Music subscription. They're already using Spotify. Their playlists are already there. So it just makes sense to just enable Spotify compatibility. Point 3 is compatibility. A rumor from iPhone Soft is claiming an Apple employee who works specifically on the Maps app for iOS, he is claiming that all devices compatible with iOS 13 will be compatible with iOS 14. So that means the iPhone 6S, the iPhone SE, and up will have compatibility for iOS 14. So this is the list. If you see your phone here, you can get iOS 14 for free as usual. Point 4 is release. It's expected that iOS 14 will be unveiled this June. As they always do in June at WWDC, when they show off the software, the new operating systems for all of their devices. But because of the thing, you know, in other countries, the thing that in the United States, you know, that outbreak thing going on, you know what I mean? That could possibly cause a delay. If it causes a delay, it should be no more than 2 weeks, because Apple needs to get this beta out to other developers because, you know, there's a scheduled release for September as usual. If, you know, it gets really severe, the situation, worst case scenario, it's delayed the event by maybe 2 weeks, and it's a live stream. It's 100% a live stream, so there would be no invitations to flying out back and forth. It would just be strictly online. And the official release would be in September 2020, you know, between the 14th and the 18th, if there are no delays with the iPhone 12 and the iPhone 12 Pro. Point 5 in this video is just a wish list, things that I read in Macworld, some things they want to see in iOS 14 that I completely agreed with, and I actually thought that would be pretty cool. So one is more intelligent Siri. Multiple commands at once, like, hey, the word, I don't want to trigger it, turn my lights down to 25% brightness in the office and play some rock music. You know, 2 commands at once, that would be pretty great. Better notification organization and an always-on display for OLED devices. Take advantage of the OLED display, you know? Better dictation when dictating, you know, certain documents and messages, as well as new stuff, you know, just give us some new stuff, maybe new emojis. Well, that's obvious, but just, you know, give us some fun stuff. That's already expected. Let me know in the comments what you want to see in iOS 14, what your wish list is. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in the next video, and don't forget to subscribe.